What an amazing experience! This was our favorite activity in Japan. Our instructor were amazing. They were so friendly, patient and knowledgeable. This experience is one of a kind and you need to book this. My husband was living his dream here. Thank you for everything. We had a superb experience at the Samurai Theater. The samurai first demonstrated, then taught us how to do all the steps. Even the kimono and hakama dress was very good condition and quality. We simply enjoyed every bit. What an amazing experience! The sensei tries to explain himself as best as possible in English. Camera-chan is an incredible help for photos and videos. They are kind, fun and the experience is very dynamic. It is worth every penny. If you enjoy samurai culture or are a martial artist, you will enjoy this experience. The instructors are knowledgeable in their art and know the general history of their dojo. Their English is okay, but they will always try their best to answer any questions you might have about their art or dojo. If you practice martial arts, you will find yourselves in familiar territory when they teach you how to wield a katana. Highly recommend to get yourself immersed in samurai culture. Wow! This was awesome. I had so much fun. I highly recommend. The two guys running it were amazing, friendly, helpful and funny. This was an amazing experience. They were very good and engaging. Personalized experience for the family. Worth it. While I can't recommend this experience enough, was fantastic, great hosts, learned so much and got to learn the moves and battle in the dojo. My son couldn't stop smiling. A boyhood dream come true. It was a very great experience. The participants got to dress up, learn basic samurai techniques/terms, and act. The hosts are very entertaining as well. Everyone had fun. This was such an incredible experience that really exceeded my expectations. Our instructors were so kind and informative, I can't say enough nice things about them. I didn't know the training would be private with just my husband and I, which made it even better. Our instructors helped dress us down in traditional kimonos and samurai pants and made sure to take plenty of photos and videos throughout. This was by far my favorite part of our Japan trip. I highly recommend. If you are in Tokyo, you should definitely try this experience. Sensei and assistant were very friendly and good in speaking English. Very easy to communicate. Since my partner and I are the only guest at that time, it was like a private lesson. They started with an act that we will copy in the end. Then, they went through the basic training, attack and defense, up to the reenactment. It was so much fun and we had unforgettable memories.